Hi, it's Marvin. Blue top on again, which means it's more Morrison's. It's a Sunday morning. I've got 2 blocks. They're both 2 hours long, paying £40, so £80 for both blocks. It's a bit warmer than the last few weeks. It's not raining, which makes a change. So hopefully this block will go all right. I'll see you when I've loaded up. So we've got 6 stops. First one's in Cheltenham, Bishop's Cleeve. It's about 11 miles there, so I'll use fuel going there. Then there's another jump up to Tewkesbury. The rest of them are around Tewkesbury and then a little bit further than Tewkesbury, so it's a little bit further than normal. I'll probably use my petrol for most of this one. Maybe electric in between a couple of the deliveries. So it's 36 bags. We've got a 5, a 4, a 4, a 6, a 6, and the last one's 11. See you at the first stop. What's the point of having a cycle path and then blocking it with a barrier? That was 5 bags into the old people's home, but I didn't record. But the road is closed that I wanted to go down to my next drop, so I'm having to make a diversion now. See how long it takes. Hello, got your Morrison's for you. It's quite nice round here, isn't it? Is it brand new?
Yeah, pretty new.
Cool. There we go. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. I should have ordered something good because it's asking me to check the year you were born.
1960.
Super. Sarah? Cool. All done for you.
Lovely,
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrison for you. I got 3 more bags to get. There we go, all done for you. Thanks, have a nice afternoon. 1, 2. There you go. Thanks, have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrison's for you. Yeah, I've managed to pick it up, not getting wet. So. Bag. Sometimes they fill them up really.
Yeah.
These ones, they don't seem to today, but that's good. Because sometimes they fill them up so much, you can't hardly lift them. Here we go, last two.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Got it? Yep. Have a nice afternoon. Bye. So that was the 2-hour Morrison's block done in 1 hour 40 minutes. So 20 minutes less than the actual time. Let's call it 2 hours. £40 for the block, so it's £20 an hour. Bit of driving this time. Used some fuel, a bit more fuel than normal, and then to the first stop and the second stop, and then the rest was on the electric. Used fuel coming back. Back here now at Morrison's. Going to get some lunch before my next block at 2 o'clock. See you when I've loaded up. So this time we're heading into the Forest of Dean. We've got a 6, an 8, a 9 and a 15. The first one's in Gloucester, it's not too far away, and then the other 3 are a little bit further. So not too far this time, which will make up for the one we had this morning. Let's get going. Oh, it started raining as well. See you at the first stop. It's been raining so much lately, this road quite often gets flooded, so I'm hoping we'll be alright. Look how high the river is to the left. Don't know if you can see it. Hello. That one says fragile, I don't know what's in it. Oh. There we go. All done for you. Thanks, have a nice evening. And now we're on the 60 limit. This is actually quite a nice wide road. Sure, it'll get narrower. Now look at this. This is flooded either side of this little road. Quite deep by the looks of it. That is not normally a lake. There you go. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. Shall I close this for you? Okay, cheers. Hello. 6, 7. Shopping from Morrison's. Yep, number 19. Hiya. The next one I've got, this is nine things. The next one I've got is 15. It's all right, when it's houses, it's fine. It's when you have to take them upstairs to flats and things. You get really tired out. There we go, done for you. Thanks. This is a fun little road. Two-way street, of course. 60 miles an hour. Bit more like a real road, maybe not. Look at these hedges. Cut square. Huge pothole. At least we can avoid it. Look at this steep hill going down.
0.2 miles. Turn left.
There's a tree hanging off everywhere. Squirrel. Oh. Oh, I'll put one there for you. 15 altogether. At least yours is nice and easy to get to. I had 15 the other day and it was up 2 flights of stairs.
Oh, don't recall that day.
Yeah, yep. Okay.
Got your walking boots on as well.
Yeah. You never know where you're going to go. Farms, all over the place. It's clever. Amazon know where everything is by these little QR codes. There we go, all done for you.
Hey, thank you.
Cheers, have a nice afternoon.
And you.
So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, finished in an hour and a quarter. So let's call it an hour and a half. That makes it about £26 an hour. That plus the block I did earlier. So my earnings for today is £80. I used a bit of fuel this morning, but the afternoon blocks I just used electric, so didn't use any fuel for that second block. 13 miles away from home, so heading back that way now. It's also downhill, so I'm actually regenning battery back, going downhill. Is Amazon Flex still worth it? Yep, still worth it for me. A few hours on a Sunday and some extra pocket money. If you enjoyed this ride along video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and then you can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more ride along videos, more flex tips and tricks. See you next time.